Imagine this, if you had invested just $1,000 in an S&P 500 index fund back in 1980 today, it would be worth over $100,000. That's an astonishing 100 times return. And yet so many people still hesitate to invest in index funds. Why? Because there are a lot of misconceptions surrounding them. So can you actually get rich with index funds, or is it just another overhyped financial strategy? Today we're breaking down the truth behind index funds, whether they can truly make you wealthy, and how you should approach investing in them for maximum gains. Index funds have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a low-cost, low-maintenance way to invest in the stock market without the stress of picking individual stocks. In fact, some of the world's greatest investors, including Warren Buffett, swear by index funds as the smartest choice for long-term wealth building. But here's the big question. Are index funds actually the key to getting rich, or is there more to the story? Let's dive deep into the pros, cons, and secrets of index fund investing. The biggest misconception about index funds, that they're a guaranteed way to get rich quickly. A lot of people believe that all you have to do is put money into an index fund, sit back and watch it grow exponentially in just a few years. Unfortunately, that's not quite how it works. Another common myth? That index funds are only for beginners who don't know much about investing. That's completely false. Even seasoned investors use index funds as a core part of their portfolio because of their simplicity and long-term effectiveness. And then there's the boring factor. Some investors shy away from index funds because they don't offer the same thrill as chasing individual stocks or cryptocurrencies. But here's the truth. While index funds won't make you a millionaire overnight, they are one of the most reliable ways to build serious wealth over time. So how do index funds actually work? Let's break it down. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or ETF that tracks a specific stock market index, like the S&P 500. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of every stock in that index. This means you're automatically diversified across hundreds of companies, reducing your risk compared to investing in individual stocks. One of the biggest advantages of index funds is their low cost. Unlike actively managed funds, which charge high fees to pay portfolio managers, index funds simply track an index, which keeps expenses low. Over time, these lower fees can add up to massive savings, putting more money back into your investments. Now, let's talk about performance. Historically, index funds have consistently outperformed most actively managed funds over the long run. Studies show that around 80 to 90% of actively managed funds fail to beat the market over a 15 to 20-year period. That means most investors who try to pick winning stocks actually end up doing worse than if they had just stuck with a simple index fund. But there are some downsides to consider. Since index funds track the overall market, they will experience downturns when the market dips. There's no way to avoid bear markets entirely. However, history has shown that the market tends to recover over time, and long-term investors who stay the course usually come out ahead. So what's the secret to actually building wealth with index funds? The answer is simple: consistency. Investing in index funds isn't about trying to time the market or waiting for the perfect moment to buy. It's about steadily investing over time, regardless of market conditions. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, helps smooth out market fluctuations and allows you to take advantage of long-term growth. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't see massive growth overnight, but with patience and time, your investment grows into something significant. The same principle applies to index funds. The key is to keep investing, even when the market is down, because history has shown that the market always recovers in the long run. Another crucial factor: reinvesting dividends. Many index funds pay out dividends, and instead of cashing them out, you can reinvest them to buy more shares. This creates a powerful compounding effect that accelerates your wealth building over time. So, can you really get rich with index funds? The answer is yes, but only if you approach it with the right mindset. Index funds aren't a magic shortcut to instant wealth, but they are one of the most effective ways to build long-term financial success. The key takeaways? Index funds offer broad diversification, low fees, and historically strong performance. They require patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Consistent investing and reinvesting dividends are crucial for maximizing your gains. If you stick with index funds and keep investing over time, you'll be amazed at the wealth you can build. What do you think about index funds? Have you invested in them? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in more investment strategies, check out my other videos on how to grow your wealth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on smart investing and financial freedom. See you in the next one.